Good morning, student. So today we read about pronoun and their types. So pronouns, what are pronouns? The word used in place of noun is called pronoun, and it is we discussed in our previous videos that are nominative pronoun or subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, possessive pronoun, personal pronouns. So now we read about demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronoun is used to demonstrate or indicate or to show a thing. So what are demonstrative pronoun? One is this, okay, and its plural is these. Another is that, plural is those. Okay, so this is used which is near to you or a singular, and it is singular, and that also singular. Okay, that, those is plural noun, it is used for plural noun, and these also used for plural noun. So this plural is this, that plural is those. So this and these used for which are near things. Okay, that and those used for which are further things. Okay, so which you can tell, suppose this is a marker or these are markers, like this sentence, that is a book or those are books. So these are called demonstrative pronoun, which are these, that, those. So they are also plural according to number of nouns. We read these or that or these or those. Okay, again the pronouns, maybe it is called demonstrative pronoun or it may be called demonstrative adjective. So how? Demonstrative pronoun, then it is two types, then demonstrative demonstrative pronoun is used in place of noun, but demonstrative adjective is used before the noun. How? Let's see. Suppose we write this is a giraffe. Okay, this is a giraffe. So it is used in place of noun. Then when it is called demonstrative pronoun. But when it is changed demonstrative adjective, how you write? This giraffe. This giraffe looks big. So here, this is used before noun. Okay, before giraffe it is used this. So it is called demonstrative adjective. It qualifies the noun giraffe. It is called demonstrative adjective. But this is a giraffe, it is demonstrative pronoun. Suppose that was a bad accident. Well, that was a bad accident. It is called demonstrative pronoun. When you change it to demonstrative adjective, how you write? That accident was bad. That accident means before accident we use that. So that accident was bad. So though it is before noun we use, they are called demonstrative adjective. Another example, these are well behaved children. These are. When we have children. So when you change it to demonstrative adjective, these children are what? So these children means these children are well behaved. Okay. So when you change same sentence, we can write two types. It is by using demonstrative pronoun, where demonstrative adjective. Okay. So by using this you can write the fill in the blanks. So look, fill in the blanks with demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective. So that is my house there, but this one here is Subhas. So you look, pointing farther. Here is boy, here is what tree. So that tree, what it will be? That tree has green leaves. Here the girl is holding the book. So what you write? This is my science notebook. Birds are flying. So these birds, THEC. Further, it is already LKG subject. It is. Days are Saurav's notebook. Not touching. So those are Saurav's notebook. And this is my new bicycle. Now we read about interrogative pronouns. So interrogative words, you know, WH words, what, where, how, who, whom, whose, where. So these are called WH words and they are called question words. But what is interrogative pronouns? The pronoun that is used to ask questions. So they are called interrogative pronouns. So the pronoun that is used to ask question is called interrogative pronoun. Same thing, all the WH words, what, which, who, whom, what, which, whom, where, then whose, like this. They are WH words called because they are all words starting with WH. Okay, so these are question words also. It is used to make interrogative sentence, but it is interrogative pronoun. So when a pronoun is used to ask question, that is called interrogative pronoun. So what is this? Who are you? Suppose what is this question? Which book is this? You can make different sentences. Whom do you talk with? Where are you going? Then whose pen is this? Okay, so you can make different types of pronoun or pronoun, interrogative pronoun sentence. Okay, so interrogative pronoun, how you read before that is demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Here also interrogative pronoun, interrogative adjective. Same thing. Interrogative pronoun, okay. So what is interrogative pronoun? That they function as interrogative adjective when that is used before a noun. It is used in place of noun. It is used before the noun. Same thing. Suppose for example, which is your car? So interrogative adjective means I said that the interrogative pronoun must be used before the noun. So which car is yours? Okay, which your car, then when it is changed it becomes yours, mine, his, him, like this. Okay, so which car is yours? Suppose what are you reading? So it is what here interrogative pronoun. So when you change into interrogative adjective, what book? Okay, what book are you So interrogative pronoun also two types, interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. It is called according to the use. If it is used in place of noun, it is called interrogative pronoun. If it is used before the noun, then that is called interrogative adjectives. Okay. So here also another small exercise is given. Fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns. One has been done for you here given. Who is the elder of the two boys? Dash is the better book to read. That means which is. Okay. Dash are you thinking? What are you thinking? Dash are you going to give this book? Whom are you going to give this book to? Look at these cats. Dash are these? Whose are these? Which is lighter? A feather or a snowflake? Okay. So I hope you could understand the what are demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronouns, and this is all about today's class. Thank you.